We share it.
I feel like I do the same thing every time. Like, can I do this like while showing my face? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I created this smoky eye with purple crease. I created the smoky eye. I only blended it with the purple and then I popped some yellow in my inner corner and yeah, purple lips to match with the purple because combine, you understand? Yeah, so so yeah, this is the look we are creating today because, well, I haven't exactly created like a black smoky eye, you know, on my channel, so I felt why not, but it needed some pop of color because I love color, you understand? Yeah, so this is what it is. Now if you haven't subscribed already, kindly hit the subscribe button below and be sure to turn on your bell button so that you get notified anytime I post a video. Also, I'll be posting every Thursday. Anyway, now I enjoyed creating this look as usual, so let's get into it. I'm moisturizing my face with my renewed hope in a jar. This primer is very soft, like a baby's buttocks. So I'm excited about this one. I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is in 370. For foundation, I like to go a shade darker. So I'm not using any product on my eyes because I want to prime my lips. And the coverage of this foundation is no hype at all. So I'm going on my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in C12, not C12, C13. Remember, we are lightly blending it with the foundation before we go into blend. We are blending that with the same foundation. We are blending that with the same brush we used for the foundation. My darling, one better, wow. One better, go. One better, na. Today I'm setting my highlighted areas with my Abys Invisible Powder in NC3, and I'm going to go with NC5 for the rest of my face. It's gonna be lit. Litty again, I'm a So I'm using NC5 for the rest of my face, like I said, making sure to overlap the NC5 with the NC3. Sleek face form contour palettes in dark to contour.
They fight most times with a step too low. But if you love where they make me, they got me, they got me.
I'm going to pack some powder on my nose where I highlighted. So I did this last week just because, but I find that I tend to sweat on my nose a lot, so it helped, you know, soaked up all of that sweat.
Wanna know me love.
I'm going to reverse contour. So to further chisel out my nose and bake a little bit, I'm going to be using my RCMA powder.
As I see you, oh baby, you're beautiful.
I'm going in here with more powder because I tend to sweat or oil up here a lot. Make a wish. Make a wish. Make a wish. Your wish just came through. Yes. For my eyes today, I'm going to use the Anastasia brow wiz. You know the drill. We are doing almost nothing. Almost nothing to our brows. I don't know, but I feel this is just a stage for me. Like, because there will come a time that I would want to go back into, you know, drawing my brows fully and everything. But until then, I'm just enjoying it. And then we'll start with the eye, the eyes, the eyes. Yes, baby. So this is very fast, you know, very easy steps. So we are starting with this LA Girl Pro Primer, just on the lids and going into the crease a little bit because we are going to set it. So we don't want it to already be in the crease and then we set it and then it's already in the brows. I'm going to be setting with all the eyeshadows I'm using are from my Morphe 35V palette. So I'm going to use this black to set it and then go in with the purple you see is this one right here, and then the yellow you see in the inner corner is this one right here. So we are setting the lid because we used a cream product, so you set every cream with a palette. Also, I find that setting it with a black eyeshadow gives you more intensity. It makes it more like, you know, you get the darkness that you're going in for. So another thing I do is to just lightly set beyond the black cream product. I'm first going to pack it into my crease all around the black and then we'll blend. I'm also making sure that I'm overlapping with the black. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and just lightly, ever so lightly, blend those harsh edges.
As I see you, oh baby, are beautiful.
And that's it, we are done. So I'm going to go with my Jordana 12R Made to Last eyeshadow pencil. Is white, so it's just like the NYX jumbo pencil in milk. So I'm going to go in with that yellow shimmer I showed you from my Morphe 35V palette. So I'm going to go in with this flat brush and then with that same LA Girl Pro Primer in black. And we're going to use that in the waterline and a bit on the lower lash line. I'm going to further darken that, still using that black from the Morphe 35V palette. I'm going to go ahead and fix my lashes. I'm using my, again, Beauty by Fella Makafui lashes. While I wait for the glue on the lashes to dry, I'm going to go in with my Ardell Wispies Fiber Building Mascara. I'm going in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational for my bottom lashes. And the eye look is done. To highlight, I'm using my sleek face form in dark.
Oh baby, my darling, one better they go.
For my lips, I'm going to be using the purple shade in the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. So here we are with the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed watching. If you want to recreate, I hope you enjoy recreating it. I think that's one thing about creating looks, like enjoy the process and it will come out looking really good. Okay, so yeah, this is the finished look. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, just hit the subscribe button down below. I post every Thursday. Kindly like, share, and comment. Alright, and then I'll see you next week Thursday. Bye bye.